Good morning, students. Mr. E. Moganraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. Today, our topic the problem related to operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage. The small recap uh, about a previous section, we already discussed about leverage, types of leverage, and the formula for calculating operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage. The formula for operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBIT, earning before interest and tax. The formula for operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBIT, earning before interest and tax. And the next formula is financial leverage. Financial leverage is equal to earning before interest and tax divided by profit before tax or earning before tax. Financial leverage is equal to EBIT, earning before interest and tax divided by PBT, profit before tax, or EBT, earning before tax. Then the next formula is combined leverage. Combined leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBT, earning before tax or operating leverage, into financial leverage. There is a two formula for combined leverage. One is contribution divided by EBT or operating leverage into financial leverage. We can use any one from this two. Then this is a format for identifying the contribution and earning before interest and tax, and earning before tax and earning after tax, and final profit. This is a format for identifying the final profit of your firm or business. Then let's see the particulars and amount. The first one is sales. Sales minus variable cost. Sales minus variable cost, we will be get the contribution. We will be get the contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost. Contribution minus fixed cost, we will be get earning before interest and tax. That is EBIT. With EBIT, if we are minus interest, we will be get earning before tax, EBT. With EBT, if we are less tax, we will be getting earning after tax, EAT. With EAT, if we are less preference dividend, we will be get EAES. That is earning after equity share. This is a format for find outing the final profit of your business. This is very helpful to find out the operating leverage and financial leverage and combined leverage. Then let's go for the problem number 1. From the following information or given below, calculate operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage. Particulars, amount. There are three information are given below. One is sales, variable cost, fixed cost. The sales is 70,000, and the variable cost is 40,000 and fixed cost is 12,000. Then let's we go for the problem. Then let's we go for the format, how to calculate the EBIT, EBT and EAT. Okay. The first item is sales. The sales is already given in your question. What is the amount? 70,000. Then 70,000. Then less variable cost. The variable cost also already given in your question. The variable cost is 40,000, then 40,000. Sales minus variable cost, we will be get the contribution. Then 70 minus 40, that is 70,000 minus 40,000, we will be get the final 30,000. Your contribution is 30,000. Then contribution less fixed cost, we will be get the earning before interest and tax, that is EBIT. Then the fixed cost is already given in your question, that is 12,000. Then mention 12,000. Then 30 minus 12,000, we will be get the 18,000, that is earning before interest and tax, EBIT. Then there is no interest, then there is no tax, then there is no preference dividend, then final EAES is 18,000. Your final profit is 18,000. Then let's see, go for the problem. Yeah, the solution. The first we want to find out the operating leverage. Operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBIT, earning before interest and tax. The contribution, okay, the contribution we already find out. What is your contribution? The contribution is 30,000. 30. Contribution is 30,000. Then 30,000. Then the next one is EBIT. Then what is EBIT? Earning before interest and taxes, 18,000. 18,000. Then mention 18,000. 30,000 divided by 18,000. The value is 1.67. Your operating leverage is 1.67. And the next one is financial leverage. Financial leverage. The financial leverage is equal to, the formula is EBIT, earning before interest and tax, divided by EBT, that is earning before tax. Earning before tax, equal to EBIT. We already know 18,000. Then 18,000. Then we want to identify what is EBT. Yeah, the EBT also 18,000 because there is no interest. There is no interest. Then the EBT also 18,000. Then EBT is equal to 18,000. Then 18,000 divided by 18,000 is equal to, value is 1. Financial leverage is 1. Then the next one is combined leverage is equal to, the formula is, there is a two formula I'm already said. There is a second formula is I used for calculating combined leverage is equal to operating leverage into financial leverage. Then operating leverage is 1.67 into financial leverage is 1. The value is 1. Then if you multiple, you will be get 1.67. Then the problem number 1 is over. Then let's see, go for the problem number 2. Then what is the difference between the problem number 1 and the problem number 2? In the problem number, there is a only, we are calculating the operating leverage or a financial leverage or a combined leverage for a one business or a one firm. In this problem number 2, we are calculating for the 3 firm. For see, the particulars of the 3 firm X comma Y comma and Z are given below, full stop. Calculate operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage of each firm. That is given below, particulars X, Y, Z. The first item is sales, 50,000, 50,000 and 50,000. The 50,000 is common for X, Y and Z. And the next one is variable cost, X 30,000, Y 20,000, Z 15,000. And the next one is fixed cost, for X 10,000, Y 20,000 and Z 25,000. And the next one is, the next item is fixed financial cost. Fixed financial cost means that is nothing but that is considered as an interest of your business or interest of your capital structure. Okay, then it should be the fixed financial cost should be considered as an interest of your business. Then for X 3,500, for Y 2,000 and Z 1,000. Then let's see go for the format for calculating the EBIT and EBT and EAT. Then this is a format, particulars X firm, Y firm, Z firm. The first item is sales. Sales is common, 50,000 for all the firm, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Then the next one is less variable cost. The variable cost is already given in your question. Variable cost is 30,000, 20,000 and 15,000. Then 30,000, 20,000 and 15,000. Then sales minus variable cost, we will be get the contribution. Then 15 minus 30, 20,000. Then 15 minus 20, 30,000 and 15 minus 15, 35,000. Your contribution is for X firm 20,000, Y 30,000, Z 35,000. Then contribution minus fixed cost. Then the fixed cost is already given in your question, 10,000, 20,000, 25,000. Then 10,000 for X, 20,000 for Y and 25,000 for Z. Then if we are contribution less fixed cost, we will be get the earning before interest and tax. Earning before interest and tax, that means EBIT. Then 20 minus 10,000, 10,000, 30,000 minus 20,000, 10,000, 35,000 minus 25,000, 10,000. Then the 10,000 is a common for all the firm X, Y, Z. Your earning before interest and taxes common 10,000 for X, Y, Z. Then next one is less interest. Less interest. The less interest you will be get interest. If you are less the interest, you will be get the earning before tax, that is EBT. Okay, then we want to find out the what is the interest. The interest is already given in your question. Fixed financial cost, it should be considered as an interest of your business. 3,500, 2,000 and 1,000. Then 3,500, 2,000 and 1,000. If we are less, 10,000 minus 3,500, you will be get the 6,500. 10,000 minus 2,000, you will be get the 8,000. 10,000 minus 1,000, you will be get the 9,000. Earning before tax 6,500, 8,000 and 9,000. Then there is no tax and there is no preference dividend. Then the final profit is 6,500, 8,000 and 9,000. Then let's see go for the formula. Then solution. We can calculate it for first X firm and Y firm and Z firm. We will be calculate one by one. The first, let's we go for the X firm. Operating leverage, we already know formula is contribution divided by EBIT, earning before interest and tax. Then what is the contribution? We already find it. the contribution is for X 20,000. For X 20,000. Then 20,000. Then earning before interest and tax for X is 10,000. Then 20,000 divided by 10,000, you will be get the value is 2. And the next one is financial leverage. Financial leverage is equal to EBIT, that is earning before interest and tax, divided by EBT, earning before tax. Then EBIT we already know, 10,000, then 10,000, then EBT, then we will be find out EBT. EBT is 6,500 for X, then divided by 6,500. 10,000 divided by 6,500, you will be get the value is 1.54. Then combined leverage is equal to operating leverage into financial leverage, 2 into 1.54. The value is equal to 3.08. That is for X. Then for your Y, operating leverage, the formula is contribution divided by EBIT. Then contribution for Y is 30,000. Then 30,000 divided by EBIT is common for all the firm X and Y and Z, 10,000. Then the value is 30,000 divided by 10,000, 3,000. Then the next one is financial leverage is equal to EBIT divided by EBT. EBIT is 10,000. Then we already calculated what is EBT for Y. Let's see. Yeah, that is 8,000. Then divided by 10,000 divided by 8,000, the value is 1.25. Then combined leverage is equal to operating leverage into financial leverage, that is equal to 3 into 1.25 is equal to 3.75. Then the final one is Z firm. Operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBIT. Then we find out what is the contribution. Contribution is 35,000. Then 35,000 divided by 10,000 equal to 3.5. That is your operating leverage is 3.5. Then the financial leverage is equal to EBIT divided by EBT equal to, EBIT is 10,000, we already know. Then EBT is, we already calculated, we will be checked in your format, that is 9,000. Then 10,000 divided by 9,000 is equal to 1.11. Then combined leverage is equal to operating leverage into financial leverage is equal to 3.5 into 1.11. That is equal to 3.88. Okay. Then today our topic is over. Let's summarize the class. Then what is the format for calculating the profit? For a sales minus variable cost, we will be get the contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost, we will be get the earning before interest and tax. If we are less interest, we will be get the earning before tax. If we are less tax, we will be get earning after tax. Then if we are less preference share, then we will be get the earning after equity share. Thank you, my dear students.